How to disable HDR video playback in Instagram on your iPhone devices. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, HDR is high dynamic range. Video offers greater quality in areas of extreme brightness or darkness. As a result, HDR content will appear brighter than the standard content. If you want this disabled, I'll exactly show you how to do this. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to your Instagram application. Once inside Instagram, navigate through by clicking on your profile icon. From here, you want to go ahead and click on the three lines above your screen or the hamburger icon. And once inside, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you came across the Your Apps and Media category. From here, you want to click on Media Quality. Once inside, we then have the option for Disable HDR Video Playback. You can just go ahead and make sure that this option is turned off. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.